I'm going to take apart this metal detector right now. A lot of screws to get all this outer plastic off. Let me take out all these screws. Let me pull the plastic covers off. Let me get inside so I can show you guys what's in there. That's all aluminum. Seems like it's mostly aluminum inside there. Let me open it up. So one cover's off. A nice hunk of wire in here. Ribbon wire. It's like glued on there. It'll scrape right off. Nice chunks of aluminum on both sides. Some copper. Nice piece of aluminum. 1/4 inch thick. Let me get the rest opened up. I'll be back in a minute. Got all these windings of wire here glued down on the opposite side now. The glue breaks right off of it. You can pull all these coils, wires right out. And they go back down through. It's just aluminum wire. But we'll still rip it all out. This is the last section. I'm going to open up this case. A couple screws right around the side here and the top. I'll get that board out so we can have a look at that. Some real nice IC chips in there. Some copper inside these transformers. A little bit of wire. There's definitely some gold pins. So here's what we got. Whole pile of garbage. Plastic and some fiberboard in there. Nice big pile of ribbon wire. There's a little bit of glue. Peels right off. Much easier with 2 hands. But it comes right off. Some insulated wire. Whole pile of sheet aluminum. There's that aluminum wire, the winding that was on one side of the metal detector. All that glue peels right off. Here's a little piece I already peeled off. Just aluminum wire. Little ball of just some copper. I'll throw that in the number 2 copper bucket. All the screws and the bolts that held it together. A lot of it stainless steel. You kind of could tell the difference between the 2 different colors in there. Plug. Silver mylar from the front cover. A switch, another plug, a transformer with copper in it. The power board. Had 3 real nice boards in there. Tons of IC chips on there. I could pick them right off. Same thing on this board. Some of those chips are 2 inches plus. A lot of gold pins. I'll try to get real close so you can see the quality of that. Nice thick coating. This was pretty old, so the gold is definitely going to be nice thick on all those pins. Just a little contact switch. There'll be some silver in there. That's what we got. Took maybe 20 minutes or so to take it all apart. Now I'm just going to go throw these in the buckets they belong in and move on to the next project. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share it with your friends. We will see you on the next one. Thank you.